how to use the Remix effects tool in Logic Pro X. I love this tool. I find myself overusing it, so I've stopped using it for now. But just to show you guys, I'll choose a layer here. We'll choose the piano. Let me just solo it. And I'm going to add specialized remix effects. One thing we'll have to do is turn our automation on for this channel. So we'll go to Latch. Now everything I do will be recorded. One more loop. Okay, so all of that automation data got recorded. We're going to go to read. I will unsolo it, and now it's going to sound so much more funkier. Okay, you can do this to MIDI, you can do this to audio, you can do it to your master output, and it even works in real time. And you can do some really cool vocal effects with this very easily too. Yo. Okay.
How are you?
Damn, where'd you get
There.
And that's how you use the Remix effects tool in
Logic Pro.